today I am going to teach you auto inbox and how to fully utilize it with your posts. So let's start. Alright, so I'll start on our bots menu page again and edit. Now on the left corner, you have to select growth right here and add new growth in order to see the auto inbox, right? So right there, the inbox. So before I start utilizing this auto inbox, you have to make sure that you have an admin on your page first, okay? So I will first show you how to do it. So go to your FB page and click on settings. Alright, so I'm just select page role. Right, so here make sure that your admin is a trusted person, alright, because they will be able to manage your page, so be sure that you trust them. So here you will see that I already have my admins. Also take note that there should be at least 3 admins, and we'll select example a friend, and I will just enter their name to invite them to be an admin of my page. So for example, alright, and just select the name and click on add. So wait for the prompt because you have to enter your password first before sending out the invitation, right here. And I will just enter my password and then submit. Right, so here you will see that it's pending, so we'll just waiting for her to confirm the invitation. So in the meantime, I will show you how to invite them on your auto inbox so that they could also have their rosters. So go on settings. Here you will see the roles I will show you. So alright, click on this one. And you will see that the same admin on my FB page is also my admin here. So I'll just click on invite. Right, so here there are different links that you can send out. So first is the admin, or they will have all kinds of access to your page, so only the trusted ones. Next is the employee, so they will not be able to do any changes, just the things you had assigned them to do, alright? And next, the auto inbox. So this feature here is to avoid spamming because you're sending out too many comments or messages. FB can detect it, so you have to make sure that your account won't be blocked. So you have to use this feature, right? So I'll just copy this link that I will send out to them, and you'll go to message your admin. I'll just select the name here first. Alright, so visit their profile and message. Okay, so I'll just input the link that I had copied. Okay, and then send. So again, you have to remember that every time you are going to copy the link, you have to refresh it over and over again. Okay, so same steps, invite, and then you will copy the link and then refresh. Right, so you have to make sure that you refresh the link so that you will be sure that they will be receiving the right link, right? Okay, and now that we have enough admins right here, so we'll proceed now to growth. So I'm just going to select growth again here, and then add new growth. So at the inbox, so these are the features of our auto inbox here. First, I will rename it for easier identification. So for example, promo post. Okay, so here you will see that you can choose which post to use with auto inbox. So for example, first is the any post, meaning all of the posts that you had created on your page, regardless the date or the keywords in that post. Or you can also choose posts containing your hashtag. So here you can type in the exact hashtag that you had used in your post. So only the post that contains that specific hashtag will enable this auto inbox. Or here is the specific post. So here you can find the post that you had previously created. So you can just select it, or if you can't find it, you just have to paste your Facebook URL right here. So this is the latest post that we had. So I'll just select it, for example. Okay, so next here, and this any comment, meaning this type of comment, your bot will reply to any comment regardless the content. So, however, this doesn't have action because unlike this reply inbox or text or block, they will be redirected to a block. So you just have to choose your block. However, it can only contain one card or one button or image. And next is the comments containing phone numbers. So it can easily be filtered. So just the same, you have to enter the reply on that kind of comment. Next is comments that contains keywords. So just enter the keyword first. For example, here the price or how much, etc. Right? So next is the comments that contains tags. So if, for example, you included it in your post that they have to tag 3 friends, so here you can use this feature right here. Next is the reply many times. So here you will see that if it is disabled, so like this, if your customer comments on your post 3 times, then the chatbot will only reply 1 time. But if you enabled it, if your customer replies to your bot 3 times, if the customer commented on your post 3 times, then the bot will also reply to it 3 times. Okay. Next is the auto like, meaning it will automatically like all the comment on that post and turn on during specified period of time. So this is the schedule if you want to turn it on, right? So let's try adding our first comment. So I'll just enter this type of comment, for example. Okay, and I'll enable auto like and just wait for it to load. Okay. After that, we will be trying it. So we have our first auto inbox. Now I'll proceed to my post, and I will use my personal FB account to comment on this post. So, for example, I love Ruby per instruction, and I'll just enter. Alright, so this one, it might take longer, sometimes a minute or two, or even longer if the system is detecting too many comments, but we just have to wait for it a little, and I will show you the notifications. Oh, it's here already. So you will receive a notification like this, and as you can see, just how I entered it, the same comment, and my post has already been liked. Alright, so now let's try more options. So instead of the comment, now we're going to try text or block. So just select a flow that I had created and the block. Alright, so we'll test it first on Messenger. Okay, now I receive my notification. And just like that, I also use an attribute, as you can see, for a more personalized message and just confirm their email. Alright, so you can use this kinds of option right here depending on you. Now, here I will show you the following. So you can also use this versus the impression, or also the number of users who saw the tool. Next, the number of users who had clicked your post. And then next is reach, or the number of users who was reached by your post. So the audience, if you got a lot of, or not of audience. Next is the opt-ins, or the number of users who subscribed to your post, meaning they interacted with your bot. And next is the conversion rate from impressions to subscribers. So it is because of your effective post. So if you have more questions, check out the other videos. And I hope you learn a lot today, and see ya!